Hey, hey, hey! Welcome, welcome, welcome to how to make $2,500 US dollars a month from the digital economy. And this is from Mind.Capital, right? It's a fantastic company. Now, I'm just going to run through a summary on how our compensation program works. If you want more details, please get together with the person who sent you this presentation. I'm going to try to go as quickly as I can with this presentation. Yeah, this is a very simple program. We only make money on the profits that our contributors enjoy, which means when you come in with, say, for example, $1,000, we don't make anything from that $1,000 or from you joining. We only make money when your $1,000 make a profit, and we make money on that profit, never on your capital. Okay? How much profit we make, how much profit we share depends on the level the contributor is in. Depends on which level you're in. If you're in level 1, I will enjoy a much higher percentage of your profits than if you were in my level 4. Okay? And how much we bring in personally, as well as how much our group has brought in, also plays a part in how much we share. Okay, and the personal performance, your personal performance determines how many overriding levels you are open to. Okay, now and finally, the company pays up to 10 levels. Very simple plan. I love this. All right, now this is a table I'm going to show you and hopefully illustrate for you. This is a column, the level column. There's 3 columns here, but actually there's going to be 5 columns after this, because I'm going to add on some more columns at the end and at the beginning. Level is going to show you how you open up the levels for your earnings. Personal volume is personal volume, how much you must hit personally for you to actually enjoy the bigger levels, the lower levels. And percentage earn means how much you earn per level. Okay, as we said earlier, the company pays up to 10 levels. You will earn 8% on level 1, 4% level 2, 3% level 4, 3% level 3, 3% level 3, 3% level 4, and from level 5 to level 10, 2% each. Okay, now when you hit a personal volume of $100, which means you have contributed your own $100, that is not counted. You must bring in one person directly who has also put in $100. When that happens, the first 2 levels open up to you. So whichever contributors come in, and they either in level 1 or level 2, you will make money from their profits. Okay, and when you have brought in personally 5,000 US dollars, you will actually have level 3 and level 4 open to you. When you hit 15,000 personal volume, you will have level 5 and level 6 open to you. When you have hit 50,000 personal volume, you will get 7 and 8 open to you, levels 7 and 8 open to you. And when you have hit a personal volume of 100,000 US dollars, you will have levels 9 and 10 open to you. Now, the company then found, after a few months running, the company then found that this benchmarks, these thresholds that you have to cross is not easy for a lot of people. So what they've done is they've allowed us to use group volume, group sales. So you can actually qualify the levels via group sales as well. Okay, now when you have a group sale of $10,000, the first 4 levels open up to you. Then when your group sale hits $40,000, the 6 levels open up to you. When you have hit 160,000, 8 levels open up to you. And when you have hit a total group sale of 650,000 US dollars, you are open to all 10 levels. All right, which means you, even if you do not bring in 100,000 US dollars on your own, you can also still earn from level 10 by just having 650,000 as your group volume. Great, yeah? Now, next. Okay, how to enjoy a consistent cash flow of $2,500 every month from the digital economy. That's the reason why you're here, right? Okay. The first way is you invest $20,900, and at 12% monthly returns, this will give you an income of $2,508 every month. Monthly income, yeah? So this is monthly. Now, some of you might be saying now, oh my God, Eugene, this is so high. I don't have $20,000. I thought this was going to be easy. Well, good news, it is easy because we have the second way. The second way is you start an account and you contribute $100 only 100 US dollars. Yeah, and what you do is you tell 10 people to do the same thing. You introduce this opportunity to 10 people and they do the same thing, and then you teach them how to repeat what you have just done, which is to contribute $100 and to tell 10 people to do the same. Okay, now how are they going to do that? You know, some of them might not be able to know how to present and all that. Well, this is the digital economy. Everyone in my team, when they request for it, they will actually get a free website. Then you can go and buy a name from GoDaddy or something like that and just mask it, and that is your website to use to promote the Mind Capital business to everybody. Okay, now I'm going to do some calculations for you on how you can actually hit $2,500 with $100, with a startup of $100, and I'm going to use the average returns of 12% monthly, as I did with method number 1. Yeah, 12% monthly. Now, what you do is like what we said you did, what you're supposed to do is find 10 people and get them to put in $100 each. Okay, and that on your first level will give you $1,000 in volume. Your second level of 100 people times $100 each will give you $10,000 in volume. And your third level would be, you would have 1,000 people giving $100 each, and you will have $100,000 in the third level in volume. And on the fourth level, we're not even going to go with 10,000. We're going to say this 1,000 people that you have on level 3 only bring between 5 and 6 people each. Yeah, and each of them contribute $100, and you will have $583,400. Yeah, what are the returns on this? Very simple. For your first level, your 1,000 at 12% will give you $120. This is what your people make. Yeah, this is what your contributors make. This is not what you make. This is what your contributors make. 100 people with 100, which is 10,000 at 12%, is $1,200. Level 3 at 100,000 volume is $12,000, and level 4, $583,400 in volume is $70,000. What do you make? You make 8%. You must remember this. We don't make money from here. Oh, I'm sorry. We make money from here. We don't make money from here. This is your contributors' capital. You have no right to touch that. We touch only here. Yeah, this is what we make money on. So 8% of $120 is $9.60. 4% of $1,200 is $48. 3% of $12,000 is $360, and 3% of $70,000 is $2,100. Okay, now if you total all this up, if you just total all this up, yeah, you will actually get $2,517.60. That exceeds the $2,500 that we were talking about earlier. Yeah, and this is what you'll get monthly as well. Okay, is 2,500 US dollars the most that you can make monthly in Mind Capital? Of course not. Get together with the person who shared this presentation with you to work out your desired income. If you have ever dreamt of earning a 7-figure monthly income, I'd like to announce that 1 million US dollars a month with Mind Capital is highly achievable, even with everybody putting in $100 each. Imagine if people started putting in $1,000 each or $10,000. We are just not going to that high numbers. We're just saying everybody puts in $100 each. That's all, and you can hit 1 million US dollars through Mind Capital. Would you like that? Okay, so this is a free offer that I was talking about. Anyone who joins me in my team, either directly or indirectly, can request for a free marketing website. Yes, I will be making for you a website, duplicating my website for you so that you'll be able to use to promote the Mind Capital opportunity to your network, right? And another thing is this is a special price. It's not free because I have to pay for it as well. It's a subscription for me. For those who want to have a Mind Capital bot for prospecting in the Facebook pool of possibilities, FB Pop, right? Facebook pool of possibilities, where you have extreme and approximately about 2.3 billion profiles. We can talk about it. I've not come up with a price now, but I know there are people out there who are selling it at $200 per year subscription, and I don't think mine's going to be that high. It's most likely going to be half or slightly more than half from what they are selling out there, because this is done for you. I wish I could give this to you free, but I can't. All right, for now I can't. And don't worry if you do not totally get the full picture of the compensation plan. It actually took me a few days of going through the compensation plan to understand it enough to be able to come up with this video, right? I wanted to do this video because I didn't want people to get confused like I was, and I hope that this video has made it easier for you. Yeah. And another thing is you can keep on practicing the compensation plan, how to present the compensation plan, because this video is on YouTube and you have the link now. You can just keep on watching it over and over again. If you have any questions, please get back to the person who sent this video to you, or you can contact me directly in the links that I've prepared below. All right, thank you very much for watching, for staying with me, and I'll see you around the world somewhere. We'll run into each other somewhere around the world, and let's make millions together. Bye.